Hi friends, welcome back. Today I will show you a very interesting thing. This is one of my newsletter. This is rerichers.net. This is one of my newsletter about real estate. Today I will show you I have got 6 advertisement opportunity in a one day. You can see there are 6 advertisement opportunities. This is why I like Beehive platform. If you have a good quality newsletter, if you have quality subscribers, Beehive platform always try to give us advertisement opportunities. Some of you have made comment that you are not getting advertisement opportunities, but I want to do this video to show you it is not difficult to get advertisement opportunity on Beehive platform. The only thing is you should create a good quality newsletter and you should provide a value to your subscribers, because all those things are analyzed by Beehive platform, Beehive team before giving advertisement opportunity to your newsletter. So I'm going to accept these advertisement opportunities now. I will show you only one because it is very simple process. I just wanted to do this video to show you how I get advertisement opportunities. So I'm going to select the date. I'm sending these newsletters on every Tuesdays and every Fridays. So I have opportunity to send an advertisement opportunity on this Friday. So I'm going to select one and I'm going to select this interface, add the interface for that, and review and accept and confirm it and click on accept. Okay, like that I'm going to accept all these advertisement opportunities. And please subscribe to my channel. In future videos I will show you everything about newsletter business, and I will show you how to create a newsletter step by step, and I will show you even how to run Twitter ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and everything. I have recorded a video creating a newsletter. That newsletter is a very important newsletter. It is the newsletter which I'm going to use this YouTube channel 1 million newsletter. So it's a very important newsletter. I will put the link in the description. You can go there and subscribe to that newsletter. Of course that design part is yet to be done. I will do a video live with you designing that newsletter. I will create that newsletter with you step by step, and I will show you how I promote that newsletter also, and I will show you within few months we can grow that newsletter to earn thousands of dollars per month. So make sure you subscribe to that newsletter also. I will put the link in the description and on the comment section also. Okay, until next time, bye bye.